Hello everyone, this is Andrew Guy with AndrewGuySpeaks.com, empowering you to create your greatest impact in the four most important areas of your life. So if you are looking at this flower right now, you're wondering, where in the world are you, Andrew? Where in the world? So I'm going to back up and give you a panoramic view to let you see where I am. This was the garden. This was my garden, but I didn't do anything to the garden this summer because I want to show you what's happening when you don't take the time to cultivate what you have. See, that's the backyard. See that? That used to be my garden right there. This used to be my garden. It used to have tomatoes. It used to have raspberry. It used to have a whole bunch of different things. You used to have spinach. It used to have a whole bunch, of collection of wonderful vegetables used to be in here. I used to have cucumbers, everything. And the purpose of this video is to say to you that whatever you don't take care of, something else will grow in it. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be your relationship. Look at this beautiful flower, isn't it? That is beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful, but you cannot eat it. So this is what happens to your garden when you don't take care of it. See, this is it. I had no intentions of planting any vegetables this summer, and because I'm working on my next book, my next project, so I put off the garden. So anything that means anything to you, it doesn't matter what it is, doesn't matter. It could be parents who don't take time out for their children. It could be a manager that doesn't take time out for the employees. It could be a company that doesn't respond to the urgencies of their workers or employees. It doesn't matter. It could be a teacher who doesn't have effective classroom management and student engagement inside the classroom to improve student achievement. It could be a principal that doesn't give the professional development to its teachers. That's what happens when you fail to do your part. So if you don't take care of the garden of your life, this is exactly what's going to happen. Remember, this is Andrew Guy with AndrewGuySpeaks.com. This is the backyard and this is the garden, and it's also a representation of your life. If you don't take care of it, no one else will. And before you know it, it will look like a woodland. It will look like a jungle, and confusion will take over your life, and you're wondering what's happening. You are fighting, trying to figure out, how do I see through all of this mess? Why? Because you did not cultivate. Whatever you don't cultivate becomes a jungle. Cultivation is an ongoing experience, is an ongoing activity that requires commitment. All right, so this is Andrew Guy with AndrewGuySpeaks.com, reminding you that I'm empowering you to create your greatest impact in the four most important areas of your life. Hope you can take this video back to your employees. Hope you can take this video back to your students. Hope you can take this video back to your staff. Hope you can take this video back to your life and transform your life for a better tomorrow. Until then, take care, and I'll see you. Okay, bye.